Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to create a seller account on Temu. So creating a seller account in Temu is actually pretty easy. Now the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up any browser that you have right now and go to google.com. Now from here, you need to type in the following, which is Quajin Ping Duo Login. So here, just click on enter. And from here, you should be able to see this specific link here, which is for quajing.pinduoduo.com/login. So just click on that. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to convert this to English so that you will be able to understand the details that they are requesting for this specific login or account creation. So let's just switch over to English. You'll also have the option to switch this to English by right-clicking on any empty space on this website here, and you want to click on translate to English. Now from here, you want to click on you don't have an account yet, sign up, and from there you just need to complete the sign up process for quajingpinduoduo.com and you will be able to create your account. So if you're wondering why we have to create an account for this specific website, because currently Temu is under this specific company and you'll have to actually create an account for this one in order to be able to be a seller in Temu. So the account creation is actually pretty easy. It's actually pretty fast, but the approval process for it is gonna take a few days at least. So you have to wait at least 3 days for your account to be approved, and once your account is approved, you'll be able to sell on Temu. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.